Chickens quack quack. Oops, wrong animal. And gonna beat a baby chicken that was bred to grow so big their bones break and have heart attacks. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Crash, bang, boom. I hate little chickens. I won't even eat them. Ouch. That hurt. And gonna beat the bird like factory farms do for eggs. At least he is not in a tiny cage. So now that we finally made peace, and he got revenge for all the birds. So now what's going on in the world? What's up with animal abuse? Factory farms. Look 'em up. Baby birds beaten just to be eaten. Baby pigs smart as dogs kept in nasty warehouses just for some bacon. Try making vegan bacon. Mother cows force bred. If keeping it real, rape to steal the milk. Not your mom, not you milk. Try Silco milk cheese and vegan ice cream. Animal rights. You got that right. Animal rights. Yo, get it right. Animal rights, get right, you hear me. Show respect for wildlife, don't make animals fear me, you hear me. We all are mammals as animals. Support equality, not speciesism. Dog, cat, bat, bird, chicken, cow, fish, all deserve respect, not abuse than death. Vegan or be vegan. Don't hire hitmen for your addiction. Birdman Vegan Future says check out Farm to Fridge and seize piracy. Fish farms and super trawler nets. Killing dolphins, turtles, and all sea life, not seafood. Shrimp, crabs, lobster boiled alive for a bite. Say no to pot or boiled alive. Also shellfish is a sin. Rodeo cowards. Leave animals alone takes bravery. Stop circus slavery, support freedom. Animal rights. You got that right. Animal rights. Yo, get it right. Animal rights, get right, you hear me. Show respect for wildlife, don't make animals fear me, you hear me. Wildlife. What's up with people destroying the world? Elephants endangered as millions of species due to one species. People are overpopulated. Overpopulation crisis and destructive people doubled in just 50 years, while killing off 69% of wildlife. Let me repeat that fact: in 50 years humans doubled and killed off about 69% of wildlife. That does not mean sustainable. No more Nick Cannon, must miss or Duggar creeps. Smaller can be better. No Hello McMansions or McDonald's selling you crap and death. Drop kick the fast food weak addiction. Child free by choice, support free birth control, saves me green taxes and saves the lions, whales, dolphins, big bad vegan elephants, gorillas, wild horses, giraffe, kangaroo, rhino, bear, buffalo, and embryo. LOL. It /s not political like Lincoln Park, what eBay done, and breaking a habit tonight. Einstein, Gandhi, MLK wife and son, Rosa Parks, and many of the greatest goats supported vegan and animal rights. Animal rights, you got that right. Animal rights. Yo, get it right. Animal rights. Get right, you hear me, don't make animals fear me, and that is weak and whack. Deforestation for endless suburban sprawl, more roads and cars. I'd rather ride the subway surfing the web in the city like Spider-Man or Batman. Trophy hunting cowards. Pesticide poisons us and wildlife, so go green and organic. Plastic bags and bottles that last centuries, your bad legacy. Plastics ingested by sea life, go with reusables, cause old school rules. Not oil spills. Landfills. Animal rights. You got that right. Animal rights. Yo, get it right. Animal rights. Get right, you hear me, don't make animals fear me, you hear me. That is whack. Now share this and spread the word. You can be a superhero, spread love and compassion. Caring is cool now, you know what to do. For farms, all for a coat hood like Canada Goose. Animal abuse. Compassion is in fashion. Cavemen wear fur. Punk rock denim and Chuck Taylors, not ugly. UGG sheepskins, not your skin. Stop stealing, bro. Puppy mills, adopt, don't shop. Just eat a freaking crop, bro. Birdman Vegan Future out. Check out Factory Farms. YOLO, and they only live once. Be strong, do what /s right, cruelty free. I got a whole army behind me. But innocent animals are unarmed and come in peace, but can't rest in this genocide, so join us. Animal rights. You got that right. Animal rights. Yo, get it right. Animal rights. Get right, you hear me, don't make animals fear me. And that is whack. Now share this and spread the word. You can be a superhero, spread love and compassion. Caring is cool, now you know what to do with.